Port service, this is motor vessel Viking, call sign 3, Foxtrot Albany, on channel 1, 2, calling you. How do you read me? Over.
Motor vessel Viking, this is port service. Go ahead your message, over.
Port service, pilot on board at 1530 hour local time and proceeding to the fairway. Over.
Viking, your message understood. There is a large vessel on the fairway. You must keep clear of the vessel and try to approach the fairway at slow speed. Over.
Port service, I will keep clear of the vessel and approach the fairway at slow speed. Over.
Viking, you must navigate along each side of the fairway and report at the next reporting point. Over.
Port service, I copy your message. I will navigate along each side of the fairway and report at the next reporting point. Out.
Motor vessel Viking, this is port service, channel 1, 2, over.
Port service, this is motor vessel Viking, go ahead. Over.
Viking, the vessel following you will overtake you on your port side and an advice to keep your present course and speed. Over.
Port service, I understood your message. I will keep my course and speed. Over and out.
Motor vessel Snowman, this is port service. How do you read me? Over.
Port station, I request you. Over.
According to our radar, your anchor is ready. Check your anchor position. Over.
Port station, I checked my anchor position and anchor is ready. Over.
Snowman, you must keep up anchor and anchor in different position. Over.
Port station, I will give up anchor. What is the anchor position for me? Over.
Snowman, your anchor position is 220 degrees, 1.3 miles from Bravo Lake coast. Over.
Port station, I will anchor that position. Over.
Snowman, standby at channel on channel 16 and 12. Over.
Standby channel 16 and 125.
Over and out.
For service, this is motor vessel Bogarang. Over. Bogarang, this is port service. Go ahead. Over. For service, I drop anchor at pilot station bearing 108 degrees, distance 2.8 miles from Bravo Lake House at 100 house, long time. Over.
Bogarang, we got your message. Please stand by on channel 1 2 for next instruction. Over.
For service was arm my breath in direction. Over.
Bogarang, your orders is to get alongside in number 3 fire. 1700 hours local time. Over.
For service, I copy your message and will wait until the pilot arrives. Over.
Bogarang, stand by on channel 16 and 12. Over.
Standby by channel 16 and 12. Out. Over.
Out.
Makassar Port Service, this is motor tanker Bangkok, channel 12. Over.
Motor tanker Bangkok, this is Makassar Port Service. Go ahead. Over.
Makassar Port Service, pilot on board at 2100 hour local time and we left the berth 20 hour local time. Over.
Motor tanker Bangkok, are you in leading voice or ballast voice? Over.
I'm on ballast voyage.
Motor tanker Bangkok, your message understood. Please stand by on channel 16 and 12 until you leaving the fire. Over.
Makassar Port Service, I will stand by on channel 16 and 12. Over and out.
Over.